Okay folks, welcome back to another video by myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal, one-to-one tutor. Right, we have here a Arithmetic Book. It's a mathematics one. It's a very good book for helping students consolidate their understanding of mathematics. Lots of different disciplines within one exercise. This is book 4, Schofield and Sims, section 1, test 6, part B. Okay, let's get cracking with these questions. So question number 1, write the part which is shaded as a vulgar fraction. Now, first of all, let's have a look how many pieces we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another 5. Let's say we have 10 pieces. Okay. And out of the 10 pieces, we have 6 which are shaded. Now, if we cancel that down, divide. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Sorry. Okay. If we divide that by 2, divide that by 2. And that will give us our vulgar fraction. Write it as a decimal fraction now. 3/5. We go back to the original fraction here. This one here. Let's write it again. 6/10. Well, 6/10 means 6 divided by 10. Pop the decimal point at the end. Go back by one place. So that'll give you 0.6. And that's question number 1 done. Right, let's get a nice color. From 9 times 7. Okay, 9. Okay, why am I still got the same one? Here's a different color. The color's not very nice. Okay, let's do it. 9 times by 7. From 9 times by 7, take away 5. So that'll give you 63. 63 minus 5, that'll give you 58. So that's 58, that's done. Question number 3. Write the 24-hour clock time for 12 minutes before midnight. Now remember, midnight is actually it's the 2400th hour, so we call that 0000 when he reaches that. But before that, if it's 11 p.m., so we're still working on 2300s. So if it's going to be 12 minutes before midnight, so it'll be 23, and it'll be 16 minus the 12, which will give you 48. So it'll be 23:48. Okay, done. Lovely. Next question. Find the cost of 20 centimeters at 75p per meter. So it costs 75p for a meter. Meter contains 100 centimeters. And we want to work out the cost of 20 centimeters. So how does 100 become 20? And the answer is divide by 5. What we do on the right hand side, we do on the left hand side. So 75 divided by 5 will give us 15 pence. Okay, let's move on. Question number 5. Write 9 kilograms, 800 centigrams to the nearest half a kilogram. We need a line. Here we go. So we have 9 kilograms. We have 9.5 kilograms. We have 10 kilograms. Okay, now first of all, let's have a look at this number that we have here. So the number is 9. It'll be 9,000, or we say 9.870 kilograms. So 9.870 kilograms, so that's 9.5. Okay, that'll be 9.75 if you like go halfway between them, and 9.870 is somewhere over here. So to the nearest half a kilogram, it can be rounded up to the 10. Done. Next question. Okay, find the difference between 3.8 liters and 6 liters. So for that question here, we got 6.0 minus 3.8. You can do that just mentally in your head. That just gives you 2.2. Okay, next question. We have what length in centimeters is 1/5 of 3 meters. So 1/5 of 300 centimeters, because that's what 3 meters is. So that's going to be 300 divided by 5. And if you work that out, that'll give you 60. Okay, next question. It says find the total of 2 1/4, 3 5/8, and 5. Okay, here we go. Right, let's move the page down a bit so you got more space. So we have 2 1/4, add, whoops, 3 5/8, add 5. So first of all, we add the whole numbers. 2 add 3 is 5, 5 add 5 is 10 so far, and a bit more. Now let's look at the numbers. We have quarter. If I times this by 2 and this by 2, that'll make the quarter equivalent to eighths. That'll give you 2 eighths plus this 5 eighths. That'll give you 7 eighths. So, and that's it. So we've got to combine the fractional answer with this answer, put them together, and that'll give us an answer, oops, of 10 7/8. Done. So we've got 10 7/8. Lovely. Next question. Okay, what color are we going for? Let's try that one. A square size of measuring 10 centimeters. Find its perimeter. Find its area. Lovely question. Okay, let's do this question over here. So here's our square. And that color is a bit too bright. Let's go back to the beginning again. Color. So we have a size of 10 and 10. So if you're working on the perimeter, remember the perimeter means the distance around the shape. So we're going to add, whoops, oh, I didn't want to do that. So we're going to add this, add this, add this, add this, 10, add 10, add 10. That will give us a nice and lovely 40 centimeters. Okay, now if you want to work out the area, area equals length times by width. Well, the length is 10 and the width is 10. So that's going to be 10 times by 10. That'll give you an area of 100 centimeters squared. Okay, and that one's done. Beautiful. Okay, next question. Let's have a different color. Okay, let's go for... Okay, now, complete the number pattern from here to here to here. We are multiplying by 10. 0.1 times by 10 is 0.1, 0.1 times by 10 is 1. So you've got to keep on multiplying by 10. So 1 times by 10 is 10, and then 10 times by 10 is 100. And we finished that question. We nearly finished this part of the exercise. Which of these triangles is a right angle triangle? Well, that's going to be quite obvious here by this nice lovely square here in the corner. This corner there. So that's going to be our right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means all the angles are less than 90. For example, like what you have in C. An obtuse angle triangle is like, for example, here. This is an obtuse angle here. So that'll have to be A. Okay, folks, thank you very much for joining us on this exercise. I hope this helps my students who are doing the homeworks and their parents to explain to them what the theory and techniques are, and for everybody else who can benefit from it as well. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can get all the latest videos coming into your YouTube. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on the video. That's Mr. Imran Iqbal on One-to-One Tutor.